Go!
Happy birthday, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. Oh.
Wish nyo.
Madam Vicky, I wish you happy birthday and God bless. I hope magka-baby na kayo. Naman, wish ko sana sila baby. Maging successful ang business. And always take care of your health.
Go!
Mamay,
Kusga.
happy birthday.
Kusga.
You have a many more birthdays to come. And many babies to come. Happy birthday. Walang to.
Sige na ba? Happy birthday, Dali.
Madam, happy birthday! Tawa na.
Sige na. Wish lang, wish.
Wish ko! Wala pa rin?
Dali, ano ba?
Wish ko lang. Wish ko lang magkamabahay.
Dapat may junior na kayo.
Ayun na. Hi, Ma'am Vicky. Happy birthday. Thank you sa chance na yatagin mo sa kwa para maging part ko sa associate. And, Ma'am, I wish you all the best. Kabalo ko na panana naman sa imo. Pero I know na kay gina desire sa imo ang heart. And time will come na i-grant na siya ni Lord. Just trust Him. Happy birthday, Ma'am Vicky. Bye.
Kayo, Vic, happy birthday. I have many things to thank you. First, thank you for trusting and believing in me here in Phil. Thank you also for the privilege that you have given me, the privilege to travel, to go to places, and etc. Thank you also for imparting me your knowledge and wisdom about life and anything under the sun. And so, because today is your birthday, I'd like to give you a very happy birthday, and that may God bless you and your husband, as well as your family, good health, and a very harmonious relationship. And so, God bless Malik, and many more wealth and projects to come.
Aloha, Ma'am Vicky! Happy birthday! Thank you so much for being nice and for being strict. Because of that, I've learned a lot. Salamat sa pagpangasaba. One time I've cried, but I am very thankful because of that I've learned. Ma'am Vicky, this is your day, and I am wishing you all the very best in life. I love you, Ma'am Vicky. Happy birthday once again. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ma'am Vic. Happy birthday. O punta, dagan pa birthday nga mo abot. Tapos, more success sa imong life o sa imong partner o sa imong business. Tapos, Ma'am Vic, pasensya na kayo kung usahay, hindi na painit na po imong ulo. Pero, rest assured. Salamat kayo, Ma'am Vic.
Go!
Ma'am Vic, happy birthday. Kusgon. Happy birthday! Wish na ako, mamayat na mamayat na ta. Tapos, more babies to come. Isa na lang. Kaya, dapat work out. Tapos, more blessings, good health,
Naa naman sa imong tanan, di ba? Maulang na siya kung mawis, wala naman siguro basta mo na good health o more blessings tapos magpakaon ka hayo pag kinori ko. Sige, wala. Bye-bye.